So sometimes they're going to give us ones where they're a little more complicated. So here's our first one. We have y plus 4 equals negative 3x. So we need to work to get it to say y equals. So we practiced these a little bit in lesson 1, and we're going to continue to practice. It's just that today we're going to go ahead and graph that. So now if I want to work to get y by itself, we would say minus 4, because we're trying to get it to say y equals. And remember, we have to put it behind here. So now I have y equals negative 3x minus 4. So now we're going to go ahead and graph that. So we'll go to the negative 4, put our dot, and then follow our slope. It's negative 3 over 1. So I have to go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and over to the right one. 1, 2, 3, over to the right one. So I chose to do it a second time just because those dots are pretty close to each other. Oops. And there's my line, and then I'm just going to go ahead and put my arrows on it. So that's what your line should look like for that one. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and give you one, and I want you to work to get y by itself. Okay, so on this one, go ahead, pause your video, work through the equation to get it to say y equals, and then graph that equation and check yourself in just a minute. So go ahead and pause your video now and work your way through this one. So you're going to find y minus 1 equals negative 2/3 x. So solve for y. Oh. So you should have gotten y equals negative 2/3 x plus 1, and then your graph should look something similar to this.